Crypto 2023 to 2025, all in on Enjin. In this video I'm going to tell you why I am all in on Enjin. It will be a short, not at all in-depth video. You could view it as a fast overlook on my thoughts on my favorite coin. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe. Well, it's not that difficult actually. Enjin is to be considered an altcoin, but it's not really like all these other hyped up coins, which seems to me are nothing compared to this coin. Enjin is a well-established coin, or software if you will, that has been here since 2009. That is the same age as Bitcoin. They have a solid network with over 20 million games, and one of their goals is to make NFTs usable in games, and they also minimize gas fees on in-game products being transferred between players. The best part is that in my opinion, this is a 10x to 20x coin short term, and who knows how big it could get. I mean, it will 10x just by getting back to its last peak, where it was right before Bitcoin started to fall. If we see a new bull run, which is highly likely if history repeats itself, which it has done 100% since forever, it won't be far now, maybe a year or two until we start to see the moves. It will not be the first coin to rise, because all coins seems to follow Bitcoin. That means when we start to see Bitcoin rising in price again, maybe it's not a bad idea to scroll down the list of coins and keep an eye on Enjin, which in my opinion should be within the top 10 next to Ethereum. Why? Because it has a usage very much linked to Ethereum. It is like copper if we say Bitcoin is gold and Ethereum is silver. Maybe that's a bad example, but I think you get the idea. It is also a very understandable idea, and you can find videos with a deeper dive on what the coin and company is all about. I just want Enjin to be more recognized, as it should, because in my opinion this is a sleeping giant, ready to climb. Tell me your thoughts of Enjin in the comments. Tell me why you like it, or if you don't like it compared to other coins. This could benefit everyone thinking about investing in crypto. Disclaimer: this is not financial advice.